How to hard factory reset an R36TMax or an R36Max, this retro gaming console. There's a couple different models of it, but they all reset in the same way. Now, if this thing freezes or stops responding or just bugging, any kind of bugs you're trying to work out, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, you know, you can save games to favorites and you can save your progress in games in this system. So obviously, if you factory reset it, it's going to undo all that. But if you're okay with doing that, it's pretty simple to do. What we're going to do is we're going to come and find the L2 button on the back, and then the left joystick, and we're going to hold the left joystick to the left. We're going to hold the L2 button. While we're holding those two, then we're going to come and triple hit the Y button, and it will factory reset. So I'm going to hold this, and then I'm going to come in and 1, 2, 3 on the Y, and you can see it goes into its factory resetting mode. Just go ahead. This takes a couple minutes to go through the whole thing, and then it will restart, and it will restart into it the way it was when it came out of the box.